Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unblock Outlook email. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once logged in, click on the Mail icon, usually located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can manage all your emails. Next, move to the Settings icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you will view all Outlook settings to open a detailed settings panel. On the left sidebar, click on Email, and then select Junk Email. This section is where Outlook stores your blocked senders and domains. Scroll through the list of blocked senders and domains to find the email address or domain you want to unblock. Once you locate it, click on it, and then select Remove. This will unblock the sender, allowing their future emails to appear in your inbox instead of being marked as junk. Remember, this action won't recover previously blocked messages. It only affects new ones going forward. Lastly, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the settings panel. And that's it. So that is how you can unblock Outlook email. So that's all for this video. Thanks.